Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a small but powerful accessory that promises to make your driving experience safer and more convenient. This slot mount for CarPlay screens, dash cams, GPS devices, and other similar gadgets. If you've ever struggled with mounting your CarPlay screen or dash cam securely in your car, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. This slot mount is designed with a universal ball joint, allowing a full 360-degree rotation. This means you can adjust the angle of your device to exactly where you want it, whether you prefer it facing you directly or tilted slightly to the side. The compact design ensures it doesn't cover any buttons or screens in your vehicle, so you can operate your device comfortably without distraction. One of the standout features of this mount is its triangular support structure. Unlike some mounts that wobble or loosen over time, the VKQTS mount uses a stable triangular base that fits snugly into your car's CD slot. This structure keeps your device firmly in place, even on bumpy roads, providing a sense of security that your expensive tech won't be sliding around while you drive. When it comes to compatibility, this mount covers a wide range of devices. It supports screens from 6.86 to 11.30 inches, so whether you have a small dashcam, a mid-sized CarPlay screen, or a larger GPS device, this mount can hold it. However, it's important to note that it only works with traditional, visible CD slots. If your CD slot is hidden or located too close to the gearshift, this mount might not be a fit. Durability is another key aspect. The VKQTS mount is constructed from high-strength nylon, which is resistant to scratches and everyday wear. The material is built to last, maintaining a solid structure even after repeated use. This isn't a flimsy mount that will bend or crack after a few months of driving. It's engineered for long-term stability. Installation is straightforward and requires no tools. You simply insert the mount into your CD slot, align your device with the mount, and secure it using the knobs provided. The mount can be positioned upward or downward, giving you flexibility depending on your car's interior and personal preference. Once tightened, the mount stays firmly in place, ready to hold your device securely. In terms of size, the mount measures just under 5 inches in length and slightly over 3 inches in width and height, while weighing only 1 ounce. This lightweight design makes it portable and easy to handle, without adding unnecessary bulk to your dashboard area. Overall, this slot mount is a practical solution for anyone looking to securely mount their CarPlay screen, dashcam, or GPS device. Its 360-degree rotation, sturdy triangular support, wide compatibility, durable materials, and simple installation make it a versatile addition to your car accessories. If you want a stable, reliable, and adjustable mounting solution without blocking your car's buttons or screens, this mount is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next product breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.